Switchblades.tv presents available at assistedknife.com. Roadsideimports.com presents the Black Tactical Piranha Bodyguard knife. This knife features a contemporary rework of the classic stiletto design. Ribbed aircraft aluminum handle, Type 3 hard-coated anodized, has a plain SV30 blade, is a bayonet shape, and is black finished. Piranha knives fire hard and lock up solid. Has a titanium pocket clip for easy carry. It's all black hardware. The blade is 3.35 inches, the overall is 7.75 inches, and the weight is 2.8 ounces. The Black Tactical Piranha Bodyguard. Available at assistedknife.com. Got questions? I got answers. Email me at jb@roadsideimports.com